Republicans in Alabama are basically straight up ignoring a Supreme Court ruling in order to secure more power for themselves. Last month, the Supreme Court issued a 5-4 opinion ruling that Alabama's pre-existing congressional map, which was created following the 2020 census, violated the Voting Rights Act. In the previous map, only 1 out of the state's 7 congressional districts had a majority black residents, even though Alabama's population is 27% black overall. In response, the court ordered Alabama to redraw the map to include 2 districts that featured majority black voters, or something quite close to it. Civil rights activists celebrated the SCOTUS decision as a huge win, not only for black voters in Alabama, but for Democrats who might have a stronger chance of securing a House seat due to the inclusion of an additional majority black district. However, when it came time for Alabama's GOP-controlled legislature to approve a new map, they still ended up with a version that only included 1 majority black district. There was one district where the percentage of black voters was raised from 30% to 40%, but that still left Alabama with 6 majority white districts, the same as before. Critics slammed the decision, saying Republicans blatantly refused to comply with the Supreme Court's order and are still in violation of the Voting Rights Act. Republicans, however, insist that the new map gives black voters a voice. Voting rights experts disagree. So what's next? The plaintiffs in the case promised to submit objections to the redraw, which federal judges will then hear on August 14th. If the judges decide that the map isn't in compliance with the federal order, an outside expert will be appointed to draw a new one. However, some activists worry that challenging the current map further could be a trap, leading to another lengthy legal battle that'll ultimately end with the courts gutting the Voting Rights Act more in the years to come. 10 years ago, Shelby County, Alabama claimed that a key protection in the VRA was unconstitutional and in the end won its case.